Hi friends, today I'm going to share with you an extremely popular dessert recipe called Falooda. I'm making a pan flavored Falooda. You do get various flavors in Falooda like chickoo or rose, but today's is pan. Let's look at the ingredients. I have taken here about 2 cups of whole milk, 1/3 cup of sugar, to thicken the milk, I'm using some custard powder. I've taken some Falooda Vermicelli, Basil Seeds, about 1/2 cup, and I'm taking a ready-made mixture of jelly. You can use any, and this is the one that I am using. Now first I'm going to add the milk to a pot, and I'm going to put it on a medium-low flame, and we are going to get a boil to the milk. Keep stirring in between. Now add the sugar to the milk. We are not using too much sugar as we are also going to put in ice cream later, so just enough to give it that sweetness. Now we are going to boil the milk for about 10 to 15 minutes. Keep stirring in between every now and then so that the milk doesn't stick to the bottom. The milk is now nicely heated up. We are going to keep it on the flame for another 5 to 6 minutes. Now while the milk heats up a little more, we are going to make a mixture of custard powder and some additional milk. This is the thickening agent for the milk. So, create a mixture of both. Make sure there are no lumps, so mix them really well. And now add this mixture to the milk. Stir really well. You will start noticing that the milk kind of starts to thicken up a bit, so keep stirring it. Now the milk is ready. Go ahead and switch off the flame. Put it in the freezer for cooling down. Next up, we are going to make the sabjya, and for that we are going to add the basil seeds to 3 cups of water. Mix them well and keep them on the side. Within half an hour or an hour, they should fluff up really well. To make the jelly, I have already boiled about 2 cups of water, and I'm just adding the jelly mix to this boiled water. Give it a good mix. The jelly should form within an hour to 2 hours. To make the Falooda Vermiceli, I have boiled 3 cups of water. Add the vermicelli to the boiling water. Give it a good mix. Make sure that all the vermicelli is immersed in the water, and we're going to boil it for about 5 to 7 minutes. That should be good to make it nice and soft. Switch off the flame and strain it. Now the vermicelli is ready. Keep it in the refrigerator for cooling down. Now all our ingredients have cooled down. The jelly is also formed. The vermicelli is ready and nicely cooled down. The milk is also nice and cold. I have some dry fruits, and here is the main ingredient, the pan shot syrup. I'm using Swiss almond vanilla flavor. You can use any ice cream that you like. And the sabjya have also nicely puffed up. Now let's start making the Falooda. Here I have a glass which is long enough. To that, first I'm going to add the puffed up basil seeds. Since my glass is long enough, I'm going to add about 3 big spoons of basil seeds. Next up, I'm going to add the vermicelli. For all of these ingredients, there is no exact proportion. So depending upon the length of the glass, you have to adjust them. Next, I'm adding the milk. So again, since it's long, I'm going to need some more milk. So about 5 to 6 big spoons. Next, I'm going to add big chunks of jelly, just like that. Next, I'm adding the scoop of ice cream. And then comes the main ingredient, the pan shot flavor. This syrup is pretty strong, so I'm just adding about 2 teaspoons of pan syrup. Lastly, I'm going to garnish the Falooda with some dry fruits. So here I've taken some pistachios, some almonds and some cashews. The Falooda is now ready. Let's take a look at it from the bottom. Looks lovely and delicious. Can't wait to have it. Now take a spoon and give it a good mix from the bottom, and you can have it. If you liked today's recipe, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.